Okay, here we have the indirect object pronouns. You'll find those on page 190 in the 6th edition of Ariba, and in the 5th edition there was Dara and Desir on page 195. Okay, now, let's talk about indirect objects for a moment. They're the thing to whom or for whom the action of the verb occurs. So, if this is an indirect object pronoun, that's to or for me, to or for you, to or for him, or to or for her, to or for it, to or for usted. Those are all things that would get a lay. To or for us would get nos. To or for you guys from Spain would get os. And to or for them or to or for you plural would get les. And that's when you would use these 6 indirect objects. Now, there are lots of ways you can use the indirect object pronouns, but the exercise I have on the board, which is similar to the exercise you'll have to do in class, has an introductory phrase to tell you which pronoun would be used. And this is common in Spanish to have both an indirect object pronoun and a phrase that tells you, a to or for phrase, that tells you which pronoun would be used. So, a me, the thing right before the blank, a me, tells me that the pronoun should be me. To me would be me. Okay? To me, it's pleasing to feed the ducks. Okay. A mis hermanos is the thing before the next blank. So that's to my brothers and sisters. That's to them. Okay, see the to them one would be les. To my brothers and sisters, it's pleasing to ride horses. Okay? All right, now next one. To my hermana menor. My hermana menor is my younger sister. That'd be to her. To her one would be le. So to my younger sister is pleasing to cook. So le gusta cocinar. So I had me to go with a mi, les to go with a mis hermanos, and to my little sister, that'd be to her, would get le. And those are 3 examples to show you how to prepare for the test using the indirect object pronouns.